scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Bicol University didn't just teach us academic excellence, it helped us become the best version of ourselves. Bicol University ignited our ambition and instilled a strong sense of responsibility for our community. We, the students of Bicol University, were shaped to be disciplined and ethical. It cultivates a spirit of service by developing leaders who are dedicated to serving others. Bicol University is a highly regarded state university in Bicol region that was founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of Republic Act 5521. Bicol University is an institution that promotes its four pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service as the university core values. Bicol University is known for producing excellent graduates who excel in different fields and is capable of being leader that will shape the society. It is divided into different colleges, and one of those colleges is the College of Industrial Technology, also known as PUSIT. It is situated at Bicol University East Campus along with the College of Engineering and College of Architecture. PUSIT has been serving the Bicolanos and also other regions for over 100 years. It was established in 1901 as an industrial art department of Albay Elementary School. It later became the Albay Trade School in 1911, offering courses at the elementary level. After the approval of Act 3377 in 1927, the school evolved into a trade school, gradually expanding its courses offering to the secondary level. The school also provided graduate programs, offering master's degree in industrial education and teaching technology. Despite its long history, PUSIT continues to strive for excellence in serving the people of Bicol. Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Technology is one of the programs offered by the PUSIT. It is a program that focuses on practical application. This includes technical skills, manufacturing, and practical knowledge. It is a program that produces graduates who are excellent on their fields and is ready to work with different working environment once they graduate. We choose Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Technology because of our deep-seated fascination with how things work. The program's hands-on approach combining theory with practical application perfectly suited of our learning style. We are drawn to diverse career opportunities it offered, spanning design, manufacturing, and automation. As a second-year mechanical technology students, our experiences have been a mix, challenging coursework and rewarding hands-on projects. We gained valuable experience using AutoCAD software to design components. Working on a team project has strengthened our collaboration and communication skills, teaching us the importance of teamwork in machining operation. Every BSMT student at Bicol University strives for excellence. We carry the name of our school with pride as we contribute to the advancement in mechanical technology and make a positive impact on the world. Join us and become a part of legacy of innovation and success. Together, let's continue to shine bright and let our ambition fuel us to become the brightest star.